Sir, you said that you want to introduce many courses with keeping these things in mind. What are the new courses that are there in the mind of college that you want to start?
This year, if we take this year example itself, we have already communicated to the university degree course in digital mass media course. I am sure this course will have very high demand and students will come forward to take this course. And when students complete this course, I am sure that all students will get the replacement and the employment also. Similarly, we have also proposed one more postgraduate degree program that is MSc in Analytical Chemistry. I have gone to many industries, pharmaceutical industries at Verna, and I asked them whether there is any need for this course and all. All have given me in writing that this is the present day's requirement of industry in Goa. So we have proposed this course also. Then there is one more 1 year postgraduate diploma course in human genetics and pathological techniques. So this course also we are running, and all those students who completed this course have got the placement.
So there are two aspects into it. First thing is that college wants to create courses which will generate employment, give employment.
Yeah.
At the same time, the existing courses in the college section, college wants to make them skill based.
Yes, yes.
Where students will get all those skills,
Yes.
which will help them to get employment and a proper employment.
Yes, exactly. Yes,
Sir,
exactly.
what about the faculty for these courses? Is our faculty trained? Is the faculty in Goa trained?
I
for such
would
kind
say
of
that if
courses?
the faculty changes their methods of teaching and assessment, so automatically all these, because we need to give more importance, we demand on students that this is how we expect. So if these demands are put, naturally the students will follow these and fulfill these demands. And
so do we have this faculty which can cope up with such kind of methodology, or we need to import them?
no need. I would say that we have already got everything in place. It is our mode of delivery has to change. That's all.
That's all.
That's all. Absolutely, I don't find that we need to have something different and some training is required for. We have been giving training to our faculty regularly. As a result, by now all our faculty members are very computer savvy and all. I don't think so any of our faculty needs additional training for this.
So the next thing is that this is a beautiful ground here.
Yeah.
And students are playing there, practicing.
Yeah.
Are there any plans as far as the sports management is concerned, or the sports as a faculty is concerned, where college wants to focus upon grooming the sportsmen in the college?
Yes. We have done this year, there are some 12 to 13 sports clubs. So these sports club, each sports club has got a well qualified and experienced coach, and students have to enroll under these clubs. And I would say that it has given us a very good results also. So other day we have won the football championship in the intercollegiate match, and I would say that with this kind of preparation, definitely we will have a very good future even in the sports
Even
also.
the sports.
Yeah.
Sir, last year you had gone to Sussex University and you were there almost for 6 months.
Yeah.
And first point is that it's Sussex University, so are you having any plans of collaboration with them, because you spent 6 months there? And second, what are the differences that you noticed in our structure and their structure?
Yeah, I was there last year for 6 months in Sussex University. I went there as a visiting fellow, and I had gone there to see the use of technology in teaching, learning, and in assessment or in administration and all. Since you asked me about what is the difference between the Sussex University and Saugle College, so I was, after going there, I felt that absolutely with regards to the infrastructure, absolutely no difference. All the classrooms, the way we have got LCD projectors and all, so they too have got, all teachers make their presentations by making use of LCD projector. The way we have got C-Lab program, Zogulis Learn Anytime, Any Place, that our study material which is available on the college website, they too have got Study Direct. Under Study Direct, they have put their all lecture material, and students, everybody can access that lecture notes and all. And there the lectures are even recorded. They call the podcasting of the lectures. And if anybody teaches any lecture is not recorded due to some technical reason and all, they students write to the teachers, send a mail saying that why your lecture is not available or is not podcasted. Yes, we need that. Then teacher has to explain why it was not there due to technical fault and other things and all. I would say that only that is missing. The lecture, podcasting of the lecture is missing. Rest everything is there.
Let me come straight to
and nobody has to get worried about what is if the lecture is recorded and all. Even in the class, that those teachers also used to pass some comments and make some jokes and all. All that gets recorded and all, but the students enjoys.
So let me come straight to it. Now that you are saying that there is no difference in further infrastructure is concerned between Chowgule College and Sussex University.
Yeah.
Is the college coming to a view that this is the time college has to take that big leap, separate itself and grow as an independent university?
Yes, we are looking out for that. So naturally one should think of very big and very high one. I would say that why not Chowgule College think of becoming an independent university in the next 50 years to come. In the past 50 years, we have done so much. So I would say that this institution is recognized at the national level, at the state level by award of the best college, best affiliated college award and the A grade and so on. So definitely we are aspiring for to become an independent university also.
So the main thing now remains is that with this decision comes the issue of teachers. Teachers are agitated. They said, what about us? Higher secondary teachers are saying, what about us? What has college thought about it?
Since we are closing the higher secondary phase-wise, so I feel that next year, let's say, we have got both teaching and non-teaching put together. 41 staff members are there. So let's say since we are closing 11th standard next year, so 50% of the staff will be surplus. So that is say 20 teachers or 20 staff will be surplus. So these 20 staff, when we are allotting our strength, 11th science and arts strength to some other higher secondary, I do not know, somebody may come to start a new higher secondary also. I would say that all these teachers will have to be accommodated there.
But as far as college is concerned, college cannot do anything more than that. At this moment, college cannot do anything more than that. The next thing is the issue of government. Education minister had a meeting and he also said that everybody is worried, including the education department, that Chowgule College is closing down its higher secondary and they don't want you people to do that. They are very categorically saying that we will not allow. How are you going to tackle them?
I would say that they should also find out why we are closing the higher secondary.
They are asking for a valid reason. What is the valid reason?
Well, so I have already shared with you that we would like to progress further. We would like to introduce many job-oriented courses and we would like to develop some skills among the students and all. So to do this,
hopeful that this reason will convince them to allow you?
I would say that they should come and visit our college and see what we are doing and what are our plans also. I would say that with this anybody will get convinced. It is not that purposely we are closing higher secondary and to do something. This is only, the courses what we are going to provide in future, it will benefit the society. Our students will get the employment. Our students will be equipped with, I would say that more employable skills. So I would say that after a few years, they will realize.
You are giving an open invitation to education minister, education director and all other officers to come here, visit.
Yes, please visit. So I have been telling many people, they are simply going and making presentation or speaking and all, that doesn't give any idea. So people should come to Chowgule College campus, find out what we are doing and why they would like to close the higher secondary. So that will be the best solution.
So let education minister, education director come here.
Yes, come here and get convinced. Yeah, I would say that that will be the valid reason.
So last question and a very delicate question, because somehow this is becoming a little bitter between the college and the department. What if department takes a very adamant stand tomorrow that we will not allow to close down? How will college deal with it?
So we also need to find out what is our strategy if Department of Education takes this stand. So sometimes I think that why somebody is forced to start something, anything.
Yeah.
And when it is forced on somebody, I would say that there won't be quality. The quality will deteriorate.
Yeah.
One should not give scope for that.
So the basic thing is, if somebody is aiming high, allow him to aim high.
High and see the result. See the result. And I would say that the Chowgule College will be the example, will be the, I would say, the leader for other institutions also to follow Chowgule College in future.
सर बिजी आशिल्ले भरपूर वाद चल्ला ह्या गजालींचेर तरी आसतना तुमी वेळ काडलो आनी वेळ काडून आमकां इंटरव्यू दिली सर थँक्स अ लॉट इट वॉज
Thank you
प्लेजर
very
टॉकिंग
much.
टू यू
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.